want that? Oh. Oh, look at that shit. Look at that shit. Oh, Lord. God damn.
Okay, no. This is a lobster too? Oh my god.
Yeah, wow. What? Look at these. Oh, oh, oh. Want some mango? Well, I'll take some samples. Thank you. Oh, that's good. You don't want to go? I'm gonna keep going. I want to go this way. Huh?
It's a lot of people.
Yeah, because there's a lot of food.
That's it?
Oh,
Huh?
this is scary. Fuck your stomach up. You want to try it though?
No. Scary how?
Because they're raw. Everything's raw.
Oh. No. Oh, that's alright. I had it before.
Hey, if you want to eat, we can eat. I just want you to look around first.
I'm just hungry, bro.
I will sit down. Give me a second. Okay, so there are like restaurants where you can sit down and eat and order, or you want to just walk around and pick up little things. Huh?
Let's just get it from the vendor.
Alright, so whenever you want to eat something, just tell me. Oh, you want to try this? You want to try this? This raw squid. And they just put it in there and they just eat it.
Alright.
Actually? Oh, you're crazy.
You're eating with me though?
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I can't. It's murder. It's against my religion.
Huh?
It's against my religion.
Alright, I'll do it.
You want to do it? It's up to you. If you don't want to, it's fine.
I'll do it.
Alright. เท่าไหร่ครับ ต่างกันยังไงอ่ะ Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, like alive?
Yeah. Hey.
Alright.
Oh, you are crazy, man.
The organs, like the insides.
กินยังไงอะพี่ Eat the head. That's what she said.
What goes after this?
Nothing, just eat it.
I just bite the head off?
Yeah.
That's her.
That's what she said. She said bite the head off.
Bite the head off?
กัดหัวใช่ไหมพี่ Yes, bite the head off. Do it. Do it, my man. You're the man. It's a Thailand experience right here, man. Show it, show it, show it.
Oh, wow.
Actually? Fatality. Fatality.
Answer one now.
แล้วไงต่อพี่ Oh, you can eat the whole thing.
What about the black thing?
แล้วไอ้ดำๆนี่ก็กินได้ใช่ไหม Oh, she said you can eat it. If you want to eat it, just eat the whole thing. I'll give you some good drinks after this, man. God damn, man. David Jang, bro. David Jang, man. This is crazy. Crazy, man. Hey, how'd you feel? How'd you feel?
That was good.
It's actually good? Oh, man. That man is known to be a murderer. He was born to be a murderer. He likes raw shit. Hot. All right, let's go. Great job, man. Proud of you. Not in a million years I would do this. You're crazy.
Oh, fresh fish. You
Want some?
No.
Yeah. This is so weird recording her making it, bro.
Have you guys seen the line?
I don't think so. Thought how leave it? What do you want?
Cantaloupe. What's the eye? Look. The eye in my teeth.
I'll cantaloupe 2 อันครับ Huh? Oh, never mind. แก้วเดียวพอพี่ God damn. So 150 per cup.
That's how much?
That's like $10. No, it's not. I'm tripping. $5. ถ่ายได้ใช่ไหมครับ Oh, let's go. Yeah, exactly. Like she was like, she's famous in TikTok. She goes on TikTok live. No, you can't do that.
Why?
You can try, but I'm not gonna be here for that. It's too much.
You think I won't get it?
I'm not saying you won't get it, but